Why did China develop so fast? It wasn't luck. It was deliberate. The first reason is population, but not just having people. China used its population as power. Millions trained in factories, infrastructure, and logistics turned China into the world's factory. Foreign companies didn't just invest, they became dependent. At the same time, the government built roads, bridges, ports, railways, and power plants at incredible speed. No delays, no endless debates. China chose growth over comfort, and that decision changed the future. Cities rose almost overnight. Highways and railways connected vast regions. Factories churned out products for the world, making China the backbone of global trade. Population became not just a resource, but a force multiplier. Education focused on practical skills. Millions of technicians and laborers were trained systematically to fit into this engine of progress. From rural villages to urban industrial hubs, the country transformed rapidly. This was not magic. This was planning, coordination, and discipline. China's biggest advantage isn't money, it's control. When China acts, the entire system moves together. Government, industry, education, and even the military. Projects that take decades elsewhere are completed in years or months. The Belt and Road Initiative, global trade dominance, and technological expansion show how China leverages its scale and coordination to project power worldwide. While other countries debate the future, China is already building it. Cities, infrastructure, and technology hubs rise faster than most nations can even plan. Smart cities, high-speed rail, AI development, and renewable energy projects all move forward simultaneously. Love it or hate it, this is power through planning. China didn't just grow fast, it became unstoppable. Its combination of population, education, discipline, and centralized execution makes it a global force few can rival. Understanding this is key to understanding not just China's rise, but the future of global economic and technological competition.